Well, here we are at J.E. Shekels' storage lot, and up for auction here on eBay is a Bryant air conditioning unit. And Daryl, this is, although it's 2006, this has never been used.
It's never been installed. It's a 3-ton electric cooling unit, Bryant, with a 2006 serial number in it. It has a Copeland compressor, and in the listing you can find the model number of that compressor.
Of course, all the parts for this are still available, so if someone were to buy this, install it, they'd be able to repair it for years and years and years to come.
Yes, they would.
Well, here's a bargain for you. Never been used, so it's new old stock, but you know, like brand new condition, manufactured 2006, just waiting for your bid. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.